everyone, it's Jennifer, and it is Advent time again. So let's pull some things out and see what we got. So this one is from Southern Skeins. I'm going to take the ribbon off, and I'll leave it off because I'm going to do a few days in a row. So this one is day 7. I'll pull that out and set that down. And then day 7 for the sewing calendar. It is a pom-pom maker. Okay. I'll get it back in there. So it is a pom-pom maker. So I guess you wind it around there or down here for a smaller one. So it's a pom-pom maker. Let's open up day 7 of Southern Skeins and see what this one looks like. Oh, that is a beautiful yellow. That's gorgeous. So that's pretty. And then we need day 7 of the Woobles. So day 7 for Woobles. And I'll get the card out. It is a little bit of yellow and some bright color, orangey red, and it is to make this tiny present. And as with all the Wooble cards, you get a password and to go to the website, or a code. I can't remember what those codes are called. Or you get one of those codes to pull it up on your phone. So that's really cool. So for today we got this. I got one of these, and I got this gorgeous yellow from Southern Skeins. So that's not bad. That is for December the 7th. So stay tuned for tomorrow, and we will see what we get for December 8th. And stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.